Kia ora. Okay. Having looked at all this academic stuff and thinking it through, I decided what happens when you're just learning? It's like so complicated. So how do we simplify this for children? Tamariki. So R for active, I do it. Or, now I think ChatGPT or Gemini came up with or for own it, it's part of me, but I found that ownership kind of works to the R category because you control things that you own and it just got messy. So we swapped it out for original. So it's sort of where did you originate from? So your parents, and the part of me. So the O there is just like we kōrero Pākehā, the O for original, A for active. I like original because it's like the whole of you maybe, and where you came from, your past, your yeah. Anyway, if you are making it, using it, or looking after it, use are. If it is part of you or looks after you, use or. So then I got a baby octopus because this is the baby. And I did realize my other octopus only had 7 tentacles. So this one actually does have 8. And I decided inside the head, I'd put thinking. And then near the heart, put feeling. I think an octopus might have multiple hearts actually, but I could be wrong. And the cares for me is a really important one. And also for beginners, I thought, why not have it in English so that we can get our heads around it? Because I know how overwhelmed I was with all this new kupu. And some of it was almost like new for the model for a lot of people who hadn't heard of the kupu. So it, cognitive overload is what I'm trying to reduce here. So shelter, spaces, parts, medicine, transport, adults, that includes parents, of course. I've missed out siblings. Obviously, this is, a memory technique as much as anything. And image, self-image. I thought of putting bling. Whakarake is kind of like adornments, but I felt for children, what does adornments mean? So I thought image related might work here. So that's why. Oh, yep. Hang on.